In 2014, I got the opportunity to participate in a research course at NASA. The mission? Get man to Mars. I worked on how to avoid muscle loss, which is a big problem when spending long periods of time in microgravity. My first concept was a tendon-driven robotic glove that could give the astronauts artificial strength as well as a resistance while working in microgravity. With this concept in mind, I thought to myself, what if I would bring this back to Earth? I have family members with rheumatic diseases, so I could clearly see the connection between what happens to the astronauts up in space and what happens to about 5% of the Western world's population who suffers from some form of reduced hand and finger function. Since then, my team and I have created a minimalistic assistive robotic device called Tendo OneGrip. Our product can assist the user in gripping, holding and releasing objects, and it works quite similar to the body. When you press your arm here, your tendons shortens a bit and that makes your fingers move. With artificial tendons outside of the arm, we can mimic the body and apply strength and movement when needed. The paralyzed user usually have some movement left in their arm or wrist. Our smart sensor system detects these small movements and uses them to control the grip function. This leads to an intuitive interface where the product can react on a signal which the body itself cannot.
Disabilities in the hands affects many people's everyday lives around the world, usually as a result of a spinal cord injury, age-related ailments or diseases such as stroke, RA and MS. Various aids, such as exoskeletons, are offered on the market today. But our product is unique in that it's minimalistic, wearable and commercially viable. This is achieved thanks to our patented technology that assists the user to maintain the strength in the grip without keeping the device running, making it less energy consuming, which leads to smaller batteries and a smaller product. Our aim is to reach a market share of around 1% in 2026, which would equate to a revenue of approximately $10 million. Robot technology will play an important part in relieving the healthcare system, and we have established collaborations with healthcare in Sweden, Denmark and Norway through a number of hospitals and orthopedic departments. So there's already a strong interest from user groups, clinics and the industry as a whole.
The beauty of our technology is that it can be applied to so much more than just the hands. We can use the same concept to assist other body parts as well. And here is where our big vision comes in. Because this means that we can make everyday life accessible for more people living with a physical disability. It means that we can include them into the society once again. But we can't realize our vision on our own. And that is why we are going public. So join us on this journey and transform lives.